To create this trending TikTok and Instagram or Facebook reel, you just need a photo. It can be any photo, your photo or Ronaldo. In my case, it is Ronaldo. And go to your aspect ratio. If you're making a short, then choose 9:16 instead of 16:9. I'm gonna choose 16:9 for YouTube video because it's a tutorial. Stay at the beginning of your photo and go to mask and choose mirror. Now give the first keyframe here. Remember to give the first keyframe. Now rotate this one a little bit like that and bring it to this place. Rotate a little bit more. Now on your timeline, go to the very end of your photo and drag this one to this place, and you will see the keyframe has been automatically added there. If you think the animation is too long, then you can shrink the size of your photo like that. And now drag this one to this place. Once you are satisfied, go to effects and here you type shake. In my case, I'm gonna drag this shake effect. Drag it to the entire timeline. Here I can show you a little bit result. It will look like that. If the intensity of shake is too much, you can decrease the strength and speed here. If you want, you can give a little bit feather as well like that, but do it on the exact keyframe, not a separate keyframe. Let's say this was the keyframe, and now I can give the feather like this, and the first keyframe as well. Select the keyframe and then give the feather like that. Now bring your favorite sound effect to this timeline, drag your sound to the start and trim the ending. Now, if we play in full screen mode, it will look like that. Apply a fade out effect like that, and you're good to go. Just go and export. That's it. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.